So today I stumbled on a post about surrogacy in Nigeria, and someone said in that post, the person who made the post said surrogacy is exploitation. I went under the comment section and I saw people's comments. Most people said yes, it is exploitation, while other people did not support it, while other people said no, it is not. And I thought about it, hence the making of this video. So I just want to say a few things about surrogacy. Is it legally recognized in Nigeria? Is it expressly provided for in our law? I have this to say that whether surrogacy is exploitation or not depends on the facts of the case. Facts such as age, information, consent, and consideration. Yes, let me explain. Even though surrogacy in Nigeria presently is not expressly prohibited, and at the same time it is not legally acknowledged. There is no law that expressly provides, or there is no law that really regulates surrogacy at the moment in Nigeria. It simply means that if someone gets involved in any surrogacy agreement, transaction, you have not committed any crime. But if any issue arises out of such an agreement, I think the general principle of contract will come in to play. And that is why I'm saying that whether surrogacy is exploitation or not depends on the facts. Consent. Did the surrogate mother give consent? If the principle of law of contract comes in, that will be a fact in issue. Consent. Did the person give consent, or did you just, or even if the consent was obtained, was it obtained under duress, undue influence, and all of that? The person needs to give consent. The law is going to look into that. And then age. Of course, someone has to be of contractual age before you can get that person involved in this kind of agreement, in this kind of transaction. Yes, surrogacy is not something that you will go and involve someone who is under the contractual age. Of course, contractual age in Nigeria is 18. That's the age of adulthood. So going to bring someone of 16, 17, 15, people do it. That also will also be a fact, an issue. And then information. How well is the surrogate mother informed? Is she aware of what she is about to get herself involved in? Has she been informed of the effects, if any? Does she have full information of? If she doesn't, if she's not well informed, that is going to be a problem. And then consideration. I have talked about consideration in my previous video where I talked about elements of a valid contract. Yes, consideration is what you pay for the services rendered to you. If it is money that you are paying in exchange for services rendered to you, that is consideration. And if it is another services that you are using to pay for the services that is rendered to you, that is also consideration. You can do trade by barter. I will do this for you in exchange for this. That is also consideration. So if all these facts exist, if it can be proven that the person is of contractual age, the person gave consent, well informed, and consideration has also been furnished for the surrogacy transaction, then there is no exploitation there. But if it can be proven that one or two of all these facts does not exist, like maybe the person is not of contractual age or one of those facts, then it can be said that there is exploitation. People do it, yes. So that is why I say that whether surrogacy is exploitation or not depends on the facts of each case. Most people leverage on vulnerable people. They take advantage of their situation, they take advantage of their age and all of that. So just understand that at the moment, surrogacy is not expressly prohibited, and at the same time it is not legally recognized in Nigeria. When it does, I will still come back here and update you guys. But for now, I hope this video helps you. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment, and kindly turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there is an upload coming from me. And to all my returning subscribers, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.